Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the harmonium in Walkband. First, you'll want to download the Walkband application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and navigate to the keyboard instrument section. From there, you can easily select the harmonium sound from the wide array of instruments available. Take a moment to adjust the volume and other basic settings to ensure a comfortable playing experience. Now that you have your harmonium set up, let's explore some basic playing techniques. Start by familiarizing yourself with the on-screen keyboard layout, which mimics a real harmonium. You can tap individual keys to produce single notes or combine them to play chords. Practice simple melodies using your right hand to get a feel for the instrument. Don't forget to experiment with different octaves by swiping left or right across the keyboard. Ready to dive into some more advanced features? The Walkband app offers a sustain pedal function, allowing your notes to ring out longer, just like a real harmonium. You can also record your performances directly within the app, saving your musical creations. Explore the various rhythm patterns and accompaniment styles to add depth to your playing. For a personalized experience, customize the keyboard size and key labels to suit your preferences. To truly master the harmonium in Walkband, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes of practice each day to build muscle memory and improve your coordination. Start by learning simple songs and scales, gradually increasing the complexity. Listening to harmonium music can provide inspiration and help you understand different playing techniques. Finally, don't hesitate to share your recorded performances with friends and family to celebrate your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.